You're holding an ice cream with no scoop on top. That disappointing feeling. That's what it feels like using tech without a good power cord. Power cord is an inevitable device connecting your device to a source, completing the circuit. But sourcing them, that's a whole different story. Limited variety. From IEC connectors to country-specific plugs, the choices seem endless. Procuring the one you need is like finding an error in a very crowded breadboard. Short cords but long lead times. Power cords may be short, but the lead times are often very long and wasteful. Minimum order quantities. Need just 100 cords? Sorry, not a lucky number. The manufacturer will give you 500 cords. Here's where Frigate steps in. Wide variety of plug types, fast, scalable global delivery, cost-effective local manufacturing, no rigid MOQs, certified reliable quality. Let Frigate be the scoop, fixing your supply chain chaos. Are you a OEM looking to outsource your power cord manufacturing? Frigate is the right choice. Upload your designs and get your quote today at frigate.ai/getquote.